Hello. We are finally here to do the giveaway drawing for the stamp sets. I want to make a huge apology for the delay in drawing this, but we have had a horrible couple of weeks here, and it has taken me a lot longer. I haven't been around for a week or so. So what I've done is I don't know if you can see my mouse when I'm doing a screen recording, but I've put in the YouTube link and I'm going to hit fetch. I'm not going to include replies. Anything goes. Let's go. So we have 287 comments on the video, and let's pick a winner. So the winner is Maria Montgomery, 2610. I don't mind paying tariffs, but I just wish they were clarified, don't we all? However, Royal Mail have been really on it, and we are now able to post to the United States. And the price is a little bit higher, but it's not as bad as we were thinking it could be. So thanks to the postage systems, and I'm sure countries around the world will also be following if they haven't already done so. So thank you so much, Maria. If you could contact me, let's say by Friday, if you could contact me by Friday by email, I will pop my email address down in the description. So if you could contact me with your name, address, I will also need an email address and a telephone number in order to ship this if you are in the United States. So thank you so much, everybody, for taking part. I will see you really soon. Take care.